Ladies and gentlemen, if you need to end a contract on Upwork as a client, I've got you covered. I'm going to show you exactly how to go about it. It's actually a very simple process. However, there are a few things that you do need to take note of. So let's climb into it. So you will find yourself in your dashboard over here. Okay, so this also is a client account, and this is not a freelancer account. So this is what the dashboard looks like as a client. So we're going to go ahead from our dashboard and we're going to look for the job that we would like to close. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so here we go. I found a contract over here. It says your contracts, and we are going to see the details here. We're going to go to the right hand side and you see it says activate milestone, and just next to that there are 3 dots. Let's go and click on that. We're going to go ahead and look for the end contract. All right, let's go through to the next page. You will get this notice. It says, are you sure you want to end this contract? Let's go ahead and say end contract. So over here, you will have the opportunity to provide a bunch of feedback. Okay, so first of all, you have private feedback. This is the opportunity to share feedback on the person that you worked with, the freelancer, to Upwork, which is not public. It is just to Upwork. So Upwork needs to know how you worked with this person, if this person gave you any issues. Then you have the extra optional block over here. You will now add in written feedback if you want to add any detail over here. You'll also choose the reason for ending this contract. You'll have the opportunity to rate the English proficiency of the freelancer that you worked with. And you get into the section where you'll have public feedback. Now, one of the things that you need to know is if you are leaving public feedback and your freelancer is also leaving public feedback, this will only be posted 14 days after the feedback period closes. Okay, so once you have posted your feedback, you'll be able to see your freelancer's feedback. So you can rate their feedback. Again, you have the option to share your experience with this freelancer. This will be shared publicly to the Upwork community. You'll also have the opportunity to add a bonus, and then there is a thank you note right at the bottom. You can also do this. This is optional. And right at the bottom, there's a big green button. You can't miss it. It says end contract and give bonus. And there you go. You have now successfully ended your contract as a Upwork client. I hope this was helpful.